everyone. Welcome to my stream. Today I will be talking about uh, what's happening in. Oh, that's my timer. What's happening at City Council, General Committee. This week it's a General Committee, and two of the main topics are on boards and bees. Um, so I thought I would focus this stream on that and see um, if anyone has anything to show in the chat that they would like as well. Um, I did talk about unhoused individuals. Um, and on YouTube and how um, how they're impacted by being forced to relocate um, and relocate to different areas of the city every time the police come, and the environmental contaminations impact them. Let's see. Yes. Um, so bold fund. So the first one is a bold friendly city certification. The goal is to provide local partners with clear standard to measure the impact and progress needed to make the city of Peterborough safe for birds. There's a tool that allows for independent assessments of key issues by establishing benchmarks and allowing for measurement of progress over time and comparison with other cities. So I like that. And then those dramatic declines due to habitat loss, window strikes, climate change, and the spread of diseases, as well as invasive species. I should say that this isn't the first item on the list. And on Monday, these are issues that you can't speak to. But you can speak to them at the end of the month. Yeah, so there's an opportunity to reduce human impacts to boards and highlight the initiatives already in place, and it's from Nature Canada. I believe that this is a good initiative, and the city should do this. I did notice that there was a tendency of city council to not. City councils sometimes they don't always listen to citizen environmentalists or people that are concerned about the environment. They do sometimes. Peterborough Field Naturalists and other groups, they do consider their input. But from my experience, it's difficult to get the city to change their position on protecting wetlands or adding additional requirements to wetlands. And it's a bunch of people advocating for that. Different levels of expertise. So one prominent example was the there was a wetland built on not a wetland. Twin Patarina proposed on what is now a provincially significant wetland, but it wasn't a provincially significant. It was unevaluated at the time. Yeah, but otherwise, I see that it is a good initiative. I am surprised that um, there's no funding attached to it because birds need habitat, habitat protection, and protection of habitat isn't as simple as planting a tree or and hoping it will grow. Type of thing. There was removal of invasive species, but there is staff owls in it. So that's a positive sign. It said 1.5 hours dedicated staff time. I see I have one one person watching. So hello, welcome to the stream. I was just talking about an application to be a bold-friendly city. And it will be submitted to Nature Canada. And yeah, they did talk about window strikes in it. And then I do think that the city has to do a better job at reducing urban sprawl. Oh, hi, it's... Oh, thank you. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, so that's the first item that I came across. I looked at I'll just type that. Yeah. Can't type in let's see. So I looked at some news reports in the past couple of years. The Trentland expansion. There was an article on Trentland, the cost of expansion, which talked about different bird species that would be impacted. Post this on... Oh, yes, I can do that. Thank you for the suggestion. Yes, I can do that now. Um, um, I'm just typing in and there's a Facebook group. Um, Twitch stream. Um, if is interested. Um, happening now. Happening now. 88A on municipal and yeah. So I can look at what else is happening on the city. I know that housing and homelessness is a huge issue currently. Um, I did see is what one post, one section related to Habitat for Humanity. Um, uh, Jackie, I'll ask you if you have anything you would like to hear about specifically, um, or I can just go into the agenda. I'm hoping to. Oh, blank screen. Add layout webcam. I'm hoping to show oh, embed a web page. Oh, screen share. Oh, add. I don't know how to add a screen share, but I'm just new to this. Um, yeah, it doesn't quite work. Screen share. I'll figure that out for my next stream. Add layout. Save. Mhm. So yeah, I have my phone, so I don't have to exit what's happening. Let's see. City of Peterborough. Agenda. And oftentimes those Peterborough Connect as well. I'm just waiting for the web page to load. I'm on the agendas and minutes tab. So June 20th, that's the one coming up. So there's an in-camera meeting at 5. So I don't really know what's happening. Oh, acquisition of land, solicitor client privilege, advice. Okay, so something about that, but not really detailed. There's the PKED. So I think that's the Peterborough economic development. Memos of the Peterborough and the Quarters economic development. Okay, need to touch. Just getting set up. Oh yes, I'm new as well. I'm trying out a platform